Good up. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Mr. Jay Shiv Kumar. How are you?
I am fine, sir. You can say me Jay because you are getting so many. You must be getting so much time to mention my name. My name, sorry. That's why you can say me Jay.
It's fine, it's fine. So, how was your day, Jay, today?
It was great.
Actually, I am not able to see your video. So, can you please?
Okay, okay, okay. Now you are getting me.
Yeah, exactly. Now I can see you.
What can I see? My session has been recorded by you.
Yeah, exactly. Every session which I
Yes,
conduct.
yes. But yes, sir. After completing my session, you can send me
Yeah,
so
definitely.
that I can. Okay, okay.
Yeah, don't worry about that. I think Asif sir sends you all the sessions of your
Yes, yes. I have got.
recorded. Yes.
Yes, yes. One session I have got.
Okay,
I
okay.
mean to say, last session I have got.
Okay, fine. Don't worry about that. So, Mr. Jay, today's our
Yes,
topic is COVID-19,
yes, yes,
and I know that you are always ready to discuss any topic. So,
yes, yes. I I am ready to discuss because we have been saying this situation for last 1 years. That's why anyone can continue in this topic. That's why right now I am going to explain about coronavirus. In other words, you can say now it is calling pandemic.
yeah, exactly.
Before, yes,
First of all, Mr. Jay, tell me which country do you think that it is mainly responsible for the spread of COVID-19?
I think so. It is obviously China. It is only due to China we
Oh,
are facing such kind of problem. If China has taken earlier preventive measure step, we won't have suffered so much. I think so. That's why we can say China is totally responsible all for these things because most of people across the world they are not aware about all these things, but it is only China who is knowing each and every fact about this kind of pandemic. But in spite of knowing each and everything, China did not send any message related to it each and every country. That's why no one is ready to face yourself this kind of situation because each and every country were knowing this disease, but they are not knowing this disease is so dangerous. No one beside of China, no one know this disease is so dangerous, and it is affecting each other, and by coming contact each other you can get affected this kind of virus. That's why I think so, first of all, China should inform all over all across the world you should avoid because we are suffering this kind of disease, and due to traveling you can also face this kind of problem. If China had taken this kind of step, we won't have faced this kind of problem. That's why I think so China is totally responsible for all this.
yeah, exactly. Here I would like to correct you. You said no one know. Actually, you should have said no one knew.
No one knows.
No one knew
Yes,
about
yes,
it. Yeah, exactly. So,
yes.
as you also believe that China was completely responsible whatever happened all over the world. So why do you think that the World Health Organization has not taken any action against China?
Actually, because China has been funding more than other country to world. In other words, you can say world organization. That's why world organization was by that time and work right now. But can you repeat that sentence?
Okay, my
HWO.
question,
Sorry.
WHO,
HWO.
WHO, World Health Organization.
Yes. WHO is unable to take any kind of action against China because China has been funding more than other country across the world. That's why, and I think so. World HW has been some extent HW has been also responsible for this kind of pandemic due to because it is such organization who keep on eye each and every country. That's why I think so. If any kind new disease grow up any country, HW must consider about that, and I think so. They should try to feedback about that disease, and by finding feedback, they should work on that. Which kind of disease that country is facing right now, according to that they should try to make their preventive measure, because prevention is better than cure, and you must I think in coronavirus, due to coronavirus, this proverb is going to useful, very useful, because very well in beginning there was no medicine about this kind of disease. That's why each and everyone was saying, if you want to stay safe, please stay indoor, don't step out, and make distance each other. Only you can save yourself, and prevention is better than cure. That's why I think so. And
Yeah,
if
exactly. And
if yes sir, you can.
Mr. Chair, do you think that India has dealt this pandemic properly as compared to other countries?
Yes, I don't have any doubt about it, because India has done far better than other country, because you can observe yourself, Italy as well, America, which kind of situation they had to face during pandemic, because due to preventive measure we are able to save life as well as a spread of this kind of. But what
But
I would also like to, yes,
Mr.
what are you
Jay,
saying?
India recorded second highest number of COVID-19 cases all over the world. So how
Yes,
can we say
because
that we have dealt it
because
in a proper manner?
because I am going to explain about it, because
Okay, okay.
very well it is only government that cannot curb this situation, because we are responsible for all this, because you can see so many instruction has been issued by government, but no one was ready to follow that instruction. That's why I think so we had to face such kind of problem. If we had followed the instruction of government, situation would have been
Yeah, would
something
have been
else. That's
different.
why I think, yes, situation would have been some different than what I had to face right that time. That's why I think so we should beside of government we are also responsible what happened in India. That's why I think so, because each and everything cannot be done by government. Because our country population is so vast, that's why you cannot deploy so many health worker as well as police and so many so forth, each and every person. That's why I think so, if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay healthy, you should follow the rule of government, because what is rule is being made by government, that is directly related to you as well as your health, because it is pandemic, because no one knows about this kind of situation. This no one country is ready to face this kind of situation, and far especially we are, very well, in the situation of health sector, which kind of situation we are enjoying in our India. In our India, health condition is so bad. In rural area, you will not get hospital each and every village. If you want to admit yourself in rural area, you will have to cover, I think, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer. That's why I think so. The health situation of India is not so good. That's why we could handle that situation so properly. That's why I think so. Some mistake has been done by government, but we cannot consider government is totally responsible for all these things what happened in India.
So according to you, more than the government, people were responsible because they were not behaving in a responsible manner. But see, after the first wave, okay, and before the second wave started, there was enough time for the government to make preparations for all the things. So don't you think that the government failed there? In the
Yes,
initial
yes,
stage,
absolutely.
it was okay, nobody was prepared. But after the
Here
first
you are
wave,
absolutely here you are absolutely right. That time we are unable to gauge the second situation because here government has been failed to recognize the situation because in second during second stage government was not unable to government was failed to prescribe it this kind of situation we are going to face again. That's why I think so government was not ready, but unfortunately we will have to face such kind of situation once again, and that time people become more careless. That's why we will have to face so many problems. In spite of facing so many problems, people don't want to stay at home. They want to move here and there. So many people were dying. In spite of that, nobody want to stay at home. Even government was trying to do something far better than before. But in spite of that, and our health sector was so bad, that's why in second stage, most of people were facing acute problem of oxygen, and most of people had to lose their life only due to oxygen. That's why I think
yeah,
so
exactly.
government is responsible for all this because we are it is only government to, in some things it is only government who can do because it is beyond our control. If any general person want to do anything related to health sector, I don't think each and everyone can do. And you know, most of our people live under poverty line. That's why they cannot bear so much expense. That's why I think so. Being Indian, it is totally responsibility of in government of India. They should try to maintain balance between people good, poor, and rich, because during second pandemic most of people who were in good family, they were able to save their life. But what about what about poor person? Most of poor person had to lost their life due to money, due to proper
Lose their life.
infrastructure of health.
You said had
What
to lost, but what is correct, had to lose their lives.
yes, had to lose.
Yeah, and Mr. Jay,
But
you
I
might have, yes,
yes
you might have watched on television, especially when the pandemic was on its peak, especially the migrating laborers, they suffered a lot. Okay. Some of them even walked the distance of 1000 kilometers, 1200 kilometers. So, do you think that first the government should have allowed all the migrating workers to return to their states, and after that they should have imposed the lockdown?
before imposing lockdown, government didn't have idea this pandemic is going to last so long. That's why I think so government didn't do so, because that time government was saying so we will be able to handle this kind of situation within 1 week or 15 days. That's why without informing each and everyone, the government had to take such decision. But unfortunately, the situation were getting worse day by day, And that time
Situation was
government
getting, you said situation were getting, what is correct? Situation
situation
was getting.
situation was getting
Yeah.
deteriorate worse day by day. That you during that time you must have seen government have to extend lockdown period 15 days, after 50 days, 1 month. That's why at that time even government didn't have idea about this pandemic is going to last so long. That's why I think so government was unable to government was government was unable to prescribe this kind of situation going to so long. That's why government didn't do so. If government had known about all these factors, government would have done so what you are saying.
So you want to say that the government failed to assess the situation, and
Yes,
there,
yes, I am fully agree with you. I fully agree with you. That time government was unable to prescribe the coming situation. Most of our bureaucracy as well as our government was unable to understand which kind of situation we are going to face after 10 days, 15 days, because most of our bureaucracy, most of our government who who they are working under government organization, they are able to understand we are going to control this situation within 15 days. That's why government had to impose this kind of strict lockdown without informing each and everyone. If government had, yes.
so Mr. Jay, can you please explain how the COVID-19 has affected the people financially? What are the financial effects of COVID-19?
Especially I would like to say here, pandemic pandemic has very badly affect mostly the person who live under poverty line, because they didn't have proper saving. That's why they had to face so many difficulty. And even most of people of India who lives who lives under poverty line, they had to lose their life due to hungry, due to, in other words, you can say lack of
Because
food
of
and
starvation. Yeah, you can say because of starvation.
starvation. Yes, starvation, lack of proper arrangement. And second time, most of people, in other words, you can say in pandemic, who most had to suffer, that is poor and labor, because they didn't have proper arrangement. Because most of labor work, and most of labor are uneducated. That's why they are not able to earn more than necessary. That's why they are unable to save for rainy day. That's why I think so in that kind of situation, no one was ready to face this kind of situation. And no one has so much so that saving. That's why labor class people had to face so many difficulty due to financial. And right now also they are facing, because most of labor has lost their job, and right now they are not able to get proper job. They are having to migrate here and there in the search of job. But due to pandemic, most of works have been stopped. That's why they are not getting proper work. That's why they are still facing so many problems, and they are unable to manage their requirements. That's why I think so labor class people is suffering.
And Mr. Jay, do you think that there might be some psychological effects also on the people of this pandemic?
Yes, I am. Yes, I think so. I think so. Most of people try to understand this kind of situation. And whether you belong to rich family or poor family. But I would like to suggest, and every person know the value of saving, and most of people want to save money, because no one know no one know what is going to happen next time. That's why I think so we should try to save whatsoever we earning, because if most of people in our India think so, if they are able to earn so much money, then they will save. But I think whatsoever you are earning, you should try to save a little amount in that amount. In this way, you can be saved, you as well as your family member, as well as your country, because we it is only we who contribute our country somehow or other, because you know very well, without people you cannot do anything.
So, Mr. Jai Shiv Kumar, at last I would like to ask you, do you really believe that one day the entire world will become free of this pandemic completely?
I think so, but we should always try to have positive, because it is only positiveness that can, with the help of that, you can face such kind of problem. If you are going to face 1 second, that's why I have positive feedback, and I think so we are going to eliminate this kind of situation, but it will take more and more time, because you don't have magic wand. That's why by moving your magic wand you can remove this kind of situation. That's why you will have to face in coming future.
And
But
do you think,
sooner or later we will come over this situation.
do you think that it will be because of the vaccination which is going on all around the world? Or will there
Yes,
be
yes,
any other
this
medicine?
vaccination is going across the world, and but right now you can also find so many poor countries who are unable to get proper vaccine, and they are unable to provide vaccine their public. That's why I think so it will take little long time, but I think so very soon we will be overcome this pandemic, and we can lead our life just like before, and I hope so.
Yeah, we will be overcome. That is wrong. What is correct? We will overcome.
We will
Yeah,
overcome.
yeah, exactly. So, in a very nice manner, once again, you have expressed your views on this topic also. What I would like to suggest you is that you are trying to speak continuously. Okay, we need to take a break in between. So just try to work on that. And because of speaking continuously, sometimes you are committing the mistakes. If you stop in between, think a little bit and then say no, then I think that you may commit fewer
In
mistakes.
this Yes, in this way we
Yeah,
can also get time, and we can also reflect, and we
yeah,
can make more
exactly.
and more sentence, and we can get more point.
Yeah, so,
I am absolutely agree with you here,
so
and
Mr. Chair,
I will try to do so in next conversation.
yeah, exactly. So good night then.
Good night.